Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary edition, and this is by Tomica, and this is from the premium series. Actually, we do own this casting, which is right over there. This and this, these both are same. The only difference being that one is the normal premium. It came inside a normal premium box. This one is coming inside the red premium box. So I really don't know what's the big difference here, because I was informed that this is Japan exclusive edition and all, but again, I saw this in Malaysia as well. I didn't personally buy it at the time. I mean, not exactly this casting, but other castings I'm talking about. Okay, let's unbox and see. Okay. So out of the box, the casting looks really beautiful. I mean, I don't see any issue here. No paint issues, nothing. I mean, the gray color looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's a mild glittery gray and it looks really nice. So it has acrylic insets for headlights. The logo placement is nice, and it has the light detailing and everything here. So this is full metal body and plastic chassis, and this is 1:61 scale, and it has tail light details which is painted, but it does have the details. It has the Raging Bull logo as well here, if you can see, and it has exhaust details here which is really nice, and the interior looks really awesome. I mean, both these are practically the same casting, only the difference being the paint job. So, but honestly, the paint job is really nice, and the rims are actually unique to this particular casting, and the rims are actually same rims only. There is no difference there also. So this has a openable engine part. So here it is. So the detailing looks really nice on this one. So I need to see how that one looked on that particular casting. Maybe it is similar, but just out of curiosity, I'm just thinking. Yeah. So the engine detailing looks really awesome on this one. That is really nice. Let's do a suspension test. That one had a suspension. Let's see. Okay, I don't think it had. This one doesn't have suspension, so I think that one also doesn't have. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Maybe around 45 grams. Let's see. Okay, 37 grams, not bad. I don't think this will fit the track, but let's check it out. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. Okay, both wheels wobble a lot. Specifically, the rear wheel wobbles a lot. I mean, Tomicas are not best to be played on tracks, but they are really scale accurate, beautiful models, and it always looks premium. If you pick any premium, or even if you go to TLVs, that is on another level. I was supposed to take the TLV today, but I forgot that because I was so tired. So I took rest of the things, and instead whatever I bought recently, I thought of unboxing those. Okay, maybe next batch of videos I will do the TLV. I do have a Nissan Skyline GTR. Yeah, that one was really cool. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.